Hi, this is Anthony Vanderhorn.
And I'm Nick Molnar. We're the founders of Glimpse, the diagnostics platform for the web that runs really well on ASP.NET MVC and ASP.NET Web Forms. I'm going to let Anthony show you a little bit about how to use Glimpse.
Here we have MVC Music Store, which is a pretty vanilla website which Glimpse is already installed on. Once Glimpse is installed, we can actually navigate to glimpse.axt. This page allows us to turn Glimpse on, and from here we can actually navigate back to our website, and now we see Glimpse pop up in the bottom right hand corner of our screen.
We call this bar Heads-Up Display, and Heads-Up Display, as well as all of Glimpse, follows you around on a request-by-request basis. So you'll see if I go to the Reggae section of the music store, we know that that request took 1,203 milliseconds. Likewise, if I go to Blues, it took 610 milliseconds. And all the information in the Heads-Up Display is very pertinent and helpful for you to debug each request as you make it. You can hover over each section and get more details. You can see all of the queries that were executed and how long they took. We even show you information about all of the AJAX requests that are happening on this page.
From here, we can actually open up Glimpse in its full capacity and see the various bits and pieces that Glimpse has to offer. To start with, we can see the configuration, the environmental data, and really interesting stuff in the timeline where we can see the various events that actually made this page possible.
Installing Glimpse is a snap. Just use NuGet and install glimpse.mvc4, depending on the version of MVC that you're using, or install glimpse.webforms.
In addition to this, we have a pretty powerful extensibility story which provides a whole range of packages that you can install. For instance, if we install glimpse.anyFramework, we actually get this extra tab pop up in the system which can show us all the various SQL statements that were executed to render this page.
So go ahead and check out Glimpse. You can find out more on this website or on our GitHub page, which is github.com/glimpse. Thanks for your help and hope to see you soon.